Hello, welcome to Djembe 301. I'm going to explain the difference between 3/4 and 6/8. Because in the previous two videos I demonstrated beats for these two different time signatures, and there have been questions on their similarities, or rather their differences, because 3/4 and 6/8 put together in math, they are similar. Okay, taking 3 crotchets in a bar and breaking it down to quivers 1 and 2 and 3 and you get 6 quivers in a bar. 6/8 also means 6 quivers in a bar. So what is the difference? Okay, in percussion sense, the main difference is their accent. Okay, because 3/4 you're counting as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Your point of reference is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, even if you break it down to quivers, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and all 16th notes, semiquivers, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a, your point of reference remains as 1, 2, or 3. Now 6/8 is different. The accent is 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. Now 1 is the accent, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes 1 and 4. Instead of 3 point of references, you get 2. So naturally, the groove changes, okay, when your accents change. So I'm just going to demonstrate a beat. I'm going to play a 6/8 beat, okay, and count in 6/8. Then I'm going to play the beat again and count in 3/4. And you notice they don't sit together very well, okay? If you put 3/4 count onto a 6/8 groove, the counting becomes very, very inconvenient, okay? Just demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6/8. 4, 5, 6. Easy to recognize, right? Now, if you go 1, 3/4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 1. You realize that when I was playing 6/8 groove and counting 3/4, it's a bit confusing. You have to concentrate because 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3 and is the accent, right? When you shift it to 3/4, it becomes 1 and 2 and the accent becomes 2 and. So it's a bit off. All right. Having said that, at this point, I'd like to just introduce a bit of what you call a polyrhythm. All right. Polyrhythm basically is 2 sets of rhythm put together, played in the same groove. Now, in this case, it's very arguable because they're not totally different, 3/4 and 6/8. But if you were to play the groove again, 6/8, and count it in 3/4, this time not in quivers, count it in semi-quivers. Right, so you get 3 sets of 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a, on a 6/8 groove. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. If you don't understand, pause. Look at the note I've attached to this entry. I've gotten it. Let's go. So a 6/8 groove again. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. 1. Because I'm not playing 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3 stroke for count. I'm playing 1 count, 2 strokes. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. I'm essentially getting 12 strokes in 1 bar. So if I were to count 3/4 and in semiquivers, I get 4, 4, 4, 12 strokes. They should fit really well, right? But the counting is a bit different, off. Okay, so 6/8. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 3/4. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3. 1, 4, 5, 6. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1. So to me personally, this is a very basic version of polyrhythm. Of course, polyrhythms get much more complicated and more fanciful than this. Okay, so any questions, please email me. I'll be very glad to answer them. So have fun meanwhile, and we'll see you next time.